Hard work, plus patience, to some more of my sacrifice. I'm done waiting, told you that I wasn't playing. Now you hear what I've been saying. Dedication.
Hey guys, so it's day 3 and we're going to the beach. This is the outfit that I'm wearing from Primark. Sean John, sunglasses, dress from Primark, sarong from Shein, all in one bodysuit from Shein, hip shoes from Primark, bag from Usha. But yeah, it's currently 9 something in the morning. My eyelashes are coming off and I'm waiting for the fam so we can eat breakfast before we head down to the beach. We're going to Roti Bay. So yeah, haven't done my edges today because it's too hot for edges. As you can see, I'm currently sweating and everything. But I will update you guys the rest of my day. Also, sorry I didn't say bye last time, yesterday's vlog. I was tired. But I'll try today to say goodbye. But in the meantime, catch y'all in a chippy. Bye.
No to the no to the no no no, yeah. All the models with that body language swaying me, and I cannot deny it. You the one I wanna see. Must in my future, I'm Da Vinci and Lisa. There's no way I'm reminiscing. Not a second one waste.
So we're on our way. Hey guys. We're on our way to Roti Bay. Yeah.
You know you're squeezed in and you know
This is all of us. We're on our way to Roti Bay.
I'm like hair and hair. Look, I'm like this, look. You and hair.
So I'll show you guys a little bit of the island.
Murder, murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it, yeah. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it. Murder, murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it, yeah. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it. Murder, murder she wrote. Murder she wrote.
Hey guys, so I've got fresh chicken roti, hot pepper sauce, and I also got fresh sorrel from the beach. Oh, I'm enjoying my roti. My cousin's in the beach over there somewhere. It hits different with the pepper sauce. But I'm gonna enjoy myself. I'm gonna eat my roti and my sorrel, and I'm gonna chill. So until next time, bye guys.
You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. I wanna just want you, babe. You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. I wanna just want you, babe. You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. 22. Two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. I wanna look on you, babe. You're 22. Two at a handle.
So I'm closing the vlog now. See you in day 4. Bye.
Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did by fault and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed that. You go bow for the result, nothing to this
Hard work plus patience, the sum more of my sacrifice. I'm done waiting. Told you that I wasn't playing. Now you hear what I've been saying. Dedication.